Hello everyone, thank you so much for being here. Whether you're returning or brand new, I'm truly thankful. My name is Crystal and I love to post cleaning, organization, and lifestyle content on this channel. If that's something that interests you, then please go ahead and click the red subscribe button below so you can join the family. Also, if you're new, please introduce yourself in the comments. I would love to meet you.
What I couldn't find, just need to know I need peace of mind. Where are you now? Even though I won't believe it, the truth is a lie, we are healing. Even though words are deceiving, you move on. 'Cause every time I try,
my master bedroom was definitely in need of attention on this day, but top priority is always making up the bed first thing. Guys, please let me know in the comments, do you have to make your bed every single day? I have to, just to get the day started right, and I love the way it looks. It just makes the room look clean, even if it's not. If you have an Instagram account, please follow me over there at crystal_renee_lifestyle. It's so easy to keep up with you guys over there, as well as let you know what I have going on in my personal life, as well as any channel updates.
If you can make me smile, if only for a while. There's always this big part of me, wanna believe in what I see. Believe in you and me. I gotta get away from here. I gotta get it through my head that even though I lost, I'll find something better. I'm running all around this town. This feeling has me stepping down, but I don't wanna have to breathe too much longer. 'Cause every time I try, yeah, every time I dream.
A lot of you like to know what I'm using when I clean, so today for my nightstands and my mirror, I am using the Jaws glass cleaner along with my E-cloth polishing cloth.
There's always this big part of me, wanna believe in what I see. Believe in you and
How can I compare thee when no one ever could come close? Look around, but I can't see. That is usually just how it goes. Brought a new horizon, opened up our doors to something more. Spun me round and you shook me, got me tainted to the core. So tell me what to do. Comes close to you. For the longest time I've been trying to find someone like you, but I keep crashing back into all the things that
If you've been here before, I'm sure you've heard me mention my Monster electronic cleaner that I use on my TVs. I'm trying to use it up because it works really good, but the little spray thing keeps sticking and falling off. The bad part about it is that it lasts a really, really long time, so I don't know that I'll ever use it up.
No, nothing. I said nothing comes close to you. In a million days and in a million ways, I know this to be true. That nothing, no, nothing. I said nothing comes close to you. When I close my eyes now.
What is your favorite thing to dust with? If it's really quick, I usually will just pick up my Swiffer, as you'll see me do on my blinds. But when it's been a while, like in this case, I love to use my Indust, and I'm just using a microfiber cloth that I got from Grove Collaborative.
For gold. So tell me what to do when nothing, no one ever comes close to you, close to you. For the longest time, I've been trying to find someone like you, but I keep crashing back into all the things that you would do. For the longest time, I've been out of my mind, trying to lose every single trace of you.
I thought I would mention another reason to follow me on Instagram is home updates. We haven't been here very long, so they're minor, but they're just some fun changes that we want to make. We've done some lighting and a different mirror and things like that. I've ordered 2 TV mounts from Amazon, and they're in my office waiting because we want to mount both of our TVs in the living room and in the master bedroom. And then I had bought a chandelier for our master bedroom, and it didn't fit. I don't really know how to explain it, but we had to get a different one, and I actually like it better. So follow me over on Instagram. I love to post before and afters so you can see the changes.
I think you're better without me. Know for a fact that you're happy now. Hate that I've treated you badly. Not much to do except apologize. No, I don't want you back, not at all. I just wanted to give you a call. I regret what I said at the mall. No, I don't even miss you a bit. You and I didn't work, didn't fit. And I think you were right, I admit it. I do. I hope you hear me through. No, I was bad for you. So I gotta tell the truth.
The Indust works really well on pretty much every surface, but when I got to the headboard, I kept noticing shiny spots, and it's happened many times before, but I just wanted to mention that to you guys. Sometimes you really have to keep going over it. It's almost like you have to buff it out, but it does a great job. It gets rid of dust, and it leaves the surface really nice, and it kind of prevents more dust from collecting as quickly.
You like me. When I'm for dinner, the movies. I used to think that we were so lucky. No, I don't want you back, not at all. I just wanted to give you a call. I regret what I said at the mall.
A lot of you know that I am obsessed with anything mirrored, and I have been looking for a tray for this bed to put our remotes on forever, and I've tried so hard not to buy anything else mirrored because I have so much of it and it's hard to clean. But guess what? That is all I'm finding, so you will probably see that in an upcoming video.
Tell you I'm sorry. I didn't mean to call you a liar. I didn't mean to start up a fire. Baby, hurting you was not my desire. The all that's left to do is tell you I'm sorry. Baby, I'm sorry. Ooh, baby, I'm sorry. Oh, baby, I'm sorry. Ooh, baby, I'm sorry. I'm sorry. I'm sorry. Oh, yeah.
Now I'm cleaning my blinds with the Swiffer that I mentioned. I think these work really good, and I use them a lot on all my surfaces, especially when it's something that I need to take care of very quickly.
The all that's left to do is tell you I'm sorry.
hope you guys are really enjoying this video. If you are, please don't forget to click the red subscribe button below. I love to remind everyone that it's totally free because some people think subscription means they have to pay something and you don't. It's just a great way to join the family. You can click the notification bell. That way you'll get notified every time I post a video because you don't want to miss an upload.
Said I'm gonna win, though the world might spin. Now I'm sitting here like I'm no one. It rains down on me. All the phone calls I'm ignoring. See, I'm a mess, just trying to guess my way through this. Just don't get enough of me. Just don't get enough of me. Just don't get enough of me.
I'm taking care of this mirror. It's also a newer find. I got a great deal on it at HomeGoods. We had been looking for something similar everywhere online, and if I did find something I liked, the price was astronomical. So if you do have a HomeGoods near you or something similar and you're looking for a larger piece or something that is pretty pricey other places, definitely just keep checking there. I've noticed that it's hit or miss, but persistence pays off.
All the phone calls I'm ignoring. See, I'm a mess, just trying to guess my way through this. Just don't get enough of me. Just don't get enough of me. Just don't get enough of me.
If anybody's wondering, that is my iPad that's laying on the floor. I have it charging right there. I'm trying to figure out if I want to get something cute to sit it on or if I want to find a place for it in my office. But now I am just vacuuming now that everything is dusted and wiped down.
When the problems we carried weren't even problems at all. Just don't get enough of me. Weren't even problems at all. Just don't get enough of me. Weren't even problems at all. Just don't get enough of me. Weren't even problems at all. Just don't get enough of me. Weren't even problems at all. Just don't get enough of me.
Guys, please leave me a comment below if you want to leave me any feedback about my video or any previous ones you've watched. I am open to it and I do value it. I really appreciate you spending your time with me. If you made it this far, I hope that means you enjoyed it, so please give me a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe, and please take care of yourselves and your families. I truly love you. God bless you, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.